This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 21: How emotionally mature are you? Emotional maturity and emotional intelligence are interconnected concepts involving personal and social competencies. Personal competence includes self-awareness and self-management, while social competence involves social awareness and relationship management. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand one's own and others' emotions, modulating behavior based on emotional awareness. Key dimensions of emotional intelligence include perceiving others' emotions, modulating one's own emotions based on context, and self-awareness. Self-awareness involves recognizing one's emotions and their impact while self-assessing realistically. Self-regulation allows controlling disruptive impulses, exhibiting integrity, and tolerating ambiguity. Motivation beyond money and status. Empathy for understanding others, and social skills for managing relationships are also key dimensions. While intelligence plateaus after age 20 and declines after 60, emotional intelligence increases linearly with age and life experience. A test with statements assessing self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, and empathy can evaluate emotional intelligence. Emotional maturity facilitates constructive behavior in difficult situations, while emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing emotions in oneself and others. EQ has personal and social competencies like self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, and empathy. Emotional intelligence allows effectively managing oneself and others by understanding self and others' emotions and responding appropriately. EQ has components like self-awareness, self-regulation, and empathy. Emotional maturity enables constructive behavior under stress, and EQ increases with age and experience, unlike IQ, which plateaus. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.